Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen Transporter camper. This vehicle has done just over 21,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our grill, cooker, sink and fridge just below. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, we have our foldable table, providing us with a dining area. Behind me is our first of 2 double beds. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this transforms into our rear bench and 2 belted seats, making this camper 5 belts, 4 berth. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control and assist, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. On our screen we can see that we have park distance control, and to the left we can access radio, media and menu, and on the right we have smartphone integration, Apple and Android CarPlay and voice control. Just below our screen is our AC, and if we pan our camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top.